Today in Oakland, a jury heard testimony from a firefighter whose daughter once lived in the ghost ship warehouse. KPIX 5's Kiet Do on what he saw and why the defense is calling it a victory.
The defense called to the stand today a city employee, an Oakland firefighter whose daughter actually lived inside the ghost ship warehouse. Firefighter Daniel Keenan took the stand today in uniform, wearing a badge and patch from the Oakland Fire Department and looking slightly uneasy. He pointed to the spot on the first floor of the warehouse where he came in to retrieve his daughter's belongings and then left. This was about 2 years before the deadly 2016 fire that killed 36 people. Keenan, who in his younger days had lived in a similar housing situation in San Francisco, testified that after coming and going, he did not have any bad feelings about the warehouse. Keenan never did report ghost ship for any violations.
Well, today was one of the best days of the trial for the defense.
Defense attorney Tony Serra said Keenan could not have been a better character witness for the property. However, that is in stark contrast to a witness by the name of Troy Altieri. Altieri is an unlicensed contractor who testified that he saw firefighters enter the warehouse in 2014. Altieri failed to show up for cross-examination today, and so the judge issued a bench warrant for his arrest, but at the request of the defense team, it was cleared and Altieri's testimony was struck from the record. The defense team has been trying to shift blame to firefighters, police officers, and social workers who visited the site multiple times but did not report any violations, and saying the city bears some of the responsibility for the tragedy. But prosecutors allege Master Tenant Derek Almina created a death trap by converting the 10,000 square foot space into living quarters in violation of the lease agreement. Sarah says today's eyewitness account from that firefighter, even though it was at least 2 years before the fatal fire, undercuts the prosecution's argument.
He's a fire person. He knows what the law is. He knows whether or not a fire code violation occurred. And in essence, he said it was okay.
The defense plans on calling 2 more police officers to the stand. We're expecting Derek Almina to testify sometime around July 8th or 9th. In Oakland, Kiet Do, KPIX 5.